just get this like negative cloud around me where I just don't want to do anything. I have so many things that I need to do. Hi guys, today is gonna be one of those days where I'm just gonna try to be more productive. I just been so out of it. I don't know what it is, but every once in a while I just get this like negative cloud around me where I just don't want to do anything. Sometimes I even get it because I have so many things to do that it's just easier for me to just not do anything because I'm just panicking, because that's one of my like things that I suffer with. And I noticed that when I start to get these anxiety attacks, it kind of starts with me ignoring the problem or kind of just doing other things that I'm not supposed to. For example, spending hours on TikTok, because at night I cannot pretty much force myself to sleep or get off my phone, because if I do get off my phone, then it forces me to think about like these problems that are like making me anxious. I have so many things that I need to do. I made a mess. I'll show you guys of the stuff. I just did my makeup and this is my mess. And then I'll show you guys as well. I just finished filming a video that I've been lagging. Honestly, I've been lagging on this video. And this is my mess. Like, this is where I had my camera, my lights. My sister's not here with me, but she usually helps me. So I kind of just did that all right now. I'm gonna start cleaning and we're just gonna see how productive this day can be. One thing that I do to like help me stay motivated throughout the day is to pretty much have a checklist of what I want to accomplish for the day. I feel like that definitely helps. And sometimes like when I make a list, for some reason like it looks like I don't have enough time, but it actually doesn't take as long as in my mind I think it's gonna take. Like sometimes I'll be like, oh my god, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do this, I have to do that. Like I just have like this big checklist in my head and I just can't process it until like I write it down and I start checking it off, and then I'm like, wow, that's actually a lot faster. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer. This is what I have so far. It looks cute. Do it again.
I'm not doing it again.
Do it again.
I'm not doing it again.
Sprinkle it.
It's done.
Do it.
I'm like wasting sprinkles.
Well, don't waste them. I'm still going to use them. You're so dumb. And these things are really hard to use. Look at this mess. The black one popped. I feel like this is like the best out of all of them. This would be like second place. This one right here is second place in my opinion. Second place. You forgot to decorate the top of it. Okay, I'm gonna go with the blue this time. I won.
Blue one wins again.
So this is what I got at Target. I got these candies. These are and then I got this ice cream because it's 370 calories for the whole thing, and we're gonna share it, so it's not gonna be that bad. And then I got some eyelash glue because I lost mine and I don't know where it is. And this one said new. And this one said new. I think it said new. Oh yeah, right there, new. And then we got wooden spoons because we like to protect the earth.
You know we fucking do.
Yes, we do. Hi guys, so today we're just gonna do like a mini vlog. We're gonna go get some stuff to make conchas. We're just gonna see if we can even make conchas. I saw a TikTok video of a girl making like a spooky concha, so we wanted to go ahead and try that. Well, I wanted to try it. I have my sister here, but she doesn't want to be in it because she wants to do a reveal of her face later on. Anyways, so we stopped to get, what is this, McDonald's. We were gonna get the, what is it called, that McDonald's adult Happy Meal, but they were all out, so I might as well gotten this. This is, I got the application, so it was buy one get one free, so I decided to get one for my sister. And this is what we're doing. We're just gonna eat before we go and get some stuff. I always forget to like take the onions out. I don't like the onions, but yeah. Bon appetit, Jessie. Bon appetit. It means enjoy your food. They weren't lying. They actually gave me one. I ordered it on the app and I only put one napkin because I didn't think that, I thought they were just gonna give me like a handful. They literally just gave me one napkin. That's hella funny. Bon appetit, you guys. So we just got back from the store. I'll show you guys what we got. These are just some of the things that I was missing. So I got some unsalted butter, food gel coloring. This one is actually pretty cool because it has black and brown and white, which is very different because I go to Target and they never have any food coloring. I'll show you guys the one that I already have, which was actually really hard to find. And then I just got this vanilla because I have some vanilla already, but I just got more. And this is the food coloring that I already had this food coloring. I believe I bought this back at Target. But Target doesn't really have, at least my Target doesn't have a lot of like baking stuff. Like at Walmart, they literally have a whole baking aisle. That's why I went to La Walmart. Jessica, I'm not even facing the camera towards you. Okay, so we are making the top of the conchas first. So this is what it looks like. We added black, but it looks green, so we're probably gonna have to add. That looks like caca.
Your caca is black?
Okay, never mind. It's not though, it's not. I'm saying it looks nasty. Okay, I'm gonna add some more black. Ready? Can you like extend it? Extend it a bit. We're trying.
They're gonna be pumpkins.
Yeah, we're gonna make the scream guy. And then we're gonna make a pumpkin.
That's a lot of black.
Well, just a little bit more. So we just finished the first topping. This is the first one. My sister made it and it turned out fabuloso. We're gonna make it.
Sorry, it looks hella black on camera.
Yeah, it looks good. We're gonna make scream as well. So because they're gonna be like Halloween inspired. I don't know if I already mentioned that. But this is our first color. We messed up because we put the cocoa powder. So I kind of needed to make it all black. So we're making another batch over here. And we're going to use the remaining of the colors for that one. So we're almost done with the toppings. We're having a little bit of trouble with the orange. I'll show you guys. This is what the orange looks. It looks a little bit too brown.
Does it look good on camera?
Looks
good on camera.
I did a little bit of green because we are going to make a pumpkin. So I did a little green one. And then we made a white one and then the black, which we messed up. We shouldn't have done too much black. Pero ya que puedes hacer. I'm gonna go ahead and start the actual concha. And we left that toward the end because we needed the butter to melt. So let's see a ver cómo nos sale. I don't know, is this normal?
Oh, don't punch the air out of it.
Then what am I supposed to do? I'm kneading it.
Yeah, don't
Like, does this look like it's supposed to look like that? To be honest, no.
You just flung a bunch of cookie. Do you want me to call Jimmy?
For what?
To look at dough? He's good at that.
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah. So these, what are they called? Conchas are literally taking forever. Like, I'm literally tired. To be honest, I don't know if I did the dough right. It looks like it might have not been right, but ya que vamos a hacer. I mean, it looks like it doubled. So we let it pretty much rest for an hour, and it's been an hour. So we're gonna start decorating. This is like the fun part. This is what we wanted to do. Obviously also eating it. Okay, so we just finished doing the little conchitas, and then Jessica's over here gonna do her little scream. So she's doing scream over here. She's gonna do the little cutout. Okay, so this is my pumpkin that I just finished. Shut the f. And this is Jessica's scream.
It looks like him.
It looks like him. Looks better. I didn't know how to do the teeth. I didn't know how to do the teeth, so I'm just gonna keep it like that.
Just put like little lines in between.
You guys, so this is the first batch that's going to go into the oven. What do you guys think? This one is mine, the 2 pumpkins. And then my sister, who's doing scream. So these are the conchas. We're still waiting on this last batch in here. I just put them in there. They're okay. These are the ones that just came out. So these are the last conchas I just took out out of the oven. So we made a total of 12, and me and Jessica already ate 1. But yeah, that was it. It was fun. It was hard. Ow, they're still hot.